So for our nature blocks today, I'm going to recycle an old 20-litre water container. This is another one that was found when I was working in the bush recently. Both nature blocks will have these little holes in them, but that's okay, that'll let water drain out. So this is the end product of one nature block. So you can see a little lizard lounge there to the right. She's put some painted rocks in there. And we're hoping to attract some butterflies and bees to this little nature block. This is our second nature block. It was the blue container that we chopped the bottom off. As you can see, it's also been painted, and there's also more painted rocks in there. This little fella here, that's actually just a cutting. It's called Plectranthus, and butterflies love it. So we've planted a little bit of that, which will take off, and you can see some kangaroo paw there as well. But we've put them together along our fence line because we have gardens like many of you, but this fence line has nothing. So we thought, why not, let's make some nature blocks, and hopefully over time we'll make some more and they'll all join up.